Welcome back to the Scale Model Experiment. This week, I'm going to be finishing up the build on the Morgan 3-wheeler from Iceman Collections. It was a fun build. I highly recommend that if you can pick it up, you do so. He's going to be making it available March 10th, I believe. So just next week, and I have a code for you, Experiment 10. So if you use that code, you'll get 10% off anything from Iceman Collections for the whole month of March. So take advantage of that. Lots of good stuff on his site. Make sure to subscribe to his newsletter. There's a link below. I don't know if you've seen the other guy's videos yet, but Tim from Throttle Power posted his up, and that looks pretty good. Darrin from the Grumpy Modeler, he's about to post his up, I think this weekend. Chuck from Chuck's Hobby Spot, he posted his up. It's all right. Enjoy the show, and if you enjoy the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Here's the show. You still here? Go ahead and watch the next video. Hit the subscribe button.